Good morning, everybody. This is Emma from Steel Mama. Welcome to our factory. Today, we are going to introduce our reforming machine operation process. Now, the machine is arriving at your factory. We locate the machine's complete line in the correct place. This is the decoiler. This is the reforming machine. The distance between these two parts are at least 3 meters. After putting the decoiler and the reforming machines in the correct position, now make sure they are in a line. Please make sure the floor is flat, clean, and hard, and finally adjust the machine in a leveling level. To make sure leveling of the machines, we could adjust the legs of the machine and use this leveler to make sure it's leveling. After leveling the machine, fix the machine with the floor screws to make sure they are fixed well on the floor. Material preparation. Please prepare the steel coils as per the profile drawing request. Now is the hydraulic pump oil adding. Open this cap and add the oil into it and make sure the final scale is 2/3. Electrical wires check in. Make sure all the wires are connected well into the PLC control box and make sure the voltage is stable. Steel coil loading. Load the steel coil into the decoiler. You could use the crane or forklift as per your factory situation. Open the power switch and the touchscreen lights. After entering the operation system, you could choose the language you need. Now, we are setting the orders for this production. Then we go to automatic production. Press this button, start up. Above introduction is the complete operation process for cold reforming machine production. If there's any questions, welcome to contact us freely.